So today we're putting on the brand new front wheel. Okay, so we now have some brand new forks for the bike from a Honda Hobbit. We're basically now we've decided that we're going to turn the bike into sort of a cafe racer style bike. I don't know how it's going to look, the final product, but we're going to try our best to make it nice. But yeah, it's quite difficult to try and get the forks off because at the minute we've got to undo this nut here, which we can't get a spanner around because there's this bit here which is connected to the whole headlight and speedo and everything. It's basically blocking the spanner, and we can't put a socket on it because that's also being blocked by this speedo. I think, yeah, this is for the speedo, and that's blocking it. So what we're going to have to do is just take off this whole unit, take it out, disconnect the speedo from the wheel, and then yeah, we should be able to take off the handlebars and the forks.
As I'm taking them apart, I'll just get a picture of each one.
Just so you remember where it goes.
Yeah. See this cable here?
Yeah.
That's your speedo cable.
Mhm.
These will just be lights that go into it, like so that literally just screws off of there. It's nice and free. Okay, and there's the speedo cable out.
Yep. So all mechanical, no electronics needed.
No, not on the not on these, not on the speedo. It's just purely a mechanical drive. So we'll just pull that out of there, and that's it free. So let's see if there's a split in there. No, there's not. So that must come. Let's look through that. That's a bit unfortunate. That is very tight coming up there, look. Yeah. Be careful with that, look. We don't, was that you or me?
That was you. Where?
Just get a picture there. Okay.
Yeah. So we're now just draining the transmission oil. I think that's what it is. It's absolutely filthy though. But yeah, finally got all of the bolts off. So we're gonna have to go and get another jar because it's nowhere near going to be big enough. But that's manky. Not nice. Oh, there we go.
Oh dear.
Oh.
Right, we need to get this into the workshop where it's not windy and
Well, it's off. That's one interesting piston. Don't think it should be looking like this. So an update on the moped. We're going to be stripping the frame in the next few weeks and painting it ourselves in possibly a matte black, and we'd be stripping our brand new forks from the Honda Hobbit, I think it is. We'd be painting them either matte black or a colour to go with it. We've only got one slight problem with the forks, and that is the bolt that's supposed to go into the top for the actual springs and everything. It's been basically cross-threaded. Very annoying. We've sent the company a complaint because they did say it was supposed to be basically new, but oh well. But yeah, for the engine, we were originally gonna, on this side here, we were originally gonna get it, or we were gonna repaint it ourselves. But now we're thinking, because, and you can see we've started here, because it's aluminium, we could shine this up quite well. So we might just do it, shine it up, instead of repainting it. I think now we're going to need new rear shoes because we spilt a load of oil on them. But, oh well. Yeah, we need a new gasket, but we can easily get that. New piston, because we see that it's had a bit of wear. We've got to properly clean out everything in here and all of that. There's a lot of build-up. Apparently that'll be taking away quite a bit of power. Exhaust, I might try and paint this. The cover, we need to flush it through because, yeah, apparently it's going to have quite a bit of carbon build up in there. But basically that's all for now. Next time, possibly going to be stripping the frame. Could be rebuilding the forks, could be stripping paint on anything. But yeah. And just quickly, this is our new wheel. We did fit it. It's fit perfectly. There was a little lip on it that we had to angle grind off. That was just here. But that was no problem, taking it off. Here's the old front wheel. But in case you were wondering what we were doing at the start, is we were getting the rim off of the rear wheel, and we were originally going to get it re-chromed, because we were going to basically re-chrome everything before we decided to make it into a cafe racer. And yeah, we basically just took off the hub, so that, where's that? We're just going to repaint it. And then we were going to get some new spokes because these spokes are rusty and we don't really trust them. And we're just going to get that chromed, or we're going to maybe look for a front wheel, which will be cheaper than a brand new rear wheel. And then we're going to take the rim from the front wheel, use the rear wheel hub and the front wheel spokes if they're good, and then yeah, rebuild ourselves a rear wheel. But anyway, that's it for this episode of the rebuild.